Hey guys, what's up? So today's top is Jerry Cheese 5, 11, 12, 13, and 14. The first tweak is called Bring Back the Haptics. So a tweet to bring back haptic feedback when liking tweets on Twitter. This is called Bring Back IG Lights. iOS 13 bring back the lights on Instagram in case they have been removed in your area. Also guys, I do want to mention a tweet called Bring Back the Glass, and it's by I forgot his name, Spark or something. Basically that tweak brings back, when you highlight and when you hold on like a text, it brings back that magnifying glass when you do that. This tweet's called LS Contacts, and it's contacts right from your home screen. So it's a horizontal scroll bar with your selected favorite contacts and your lock screen notification center. So it's configurable from settings with single tap to do either one of these options below, or using long press on a contact. So these features right here. That's what it looks like. This is called YouTube Reborn to YouTube Customizer. This is called Live Ringing. Lets you place a video as your background in your calls, just like the photo contact appears when someone calls you. This is called Day In, and experience your notifications like never before. This is called Dev Hoarder, backup dev file for Cydia, Zebra, and Installer. This tree is called Apps Hide applications on the desktop, support iOS 11 to 14. This tree is called Pencil Charging Indicator, makes charging less boring with the Apple Pencil Charging animation from the iPad Pro 2018. This tree is called Folder Artwork, and also a mobile substrate tweak. Change the background color of the folder, or you can put a new image on it. So the next tree is called Rouge It Pro, and it's best all-in-one caller identification solution for your iDevice. So it helps identify, who's calling you, because there's over 2 billion phone numbers. This is called Color Flow. This one's Color Flow 5, which supports iOS 13. There's also Color Flow 4, 3, and 2, which supports the lower iOS versions. So colorize your music. It matches the now clean UI to your music album artwork, and adds in an iOS 10 style music player on the lock screen. The next tweak is called DND Switch, enable or disable Do Not Disturb with the silent switch. So you also need a tweak called CC support for this to work. So it's basically, so when you put on your silencer, it also puts on Do Not Disturb. The next tweak is called MagSafe, MagSafe charge indicator, just like iOS 14. Next tweak is called 3D Badge Clear, clear your badges from the Force Touch 3D Touch menu. Next tweak is called Stop Camera, powered with iOS 11 to 13. Disable slide or button camera app on lock screen and notification center. Next tweak is called Bookmark Icon, set custom icons for Safari bookmarks. Tap the icon while creating or editing a bookmark to select a new one. Next tweak is called Drain, find out what tweets are draining your battery with this app. Next tweak is called Smart Volume Mixer 2. It's covered with iOS 13 to 14.3. You see, changes the volume, for each application, or each, your headphones, your speaker, so you change the volume, your headset Bluetooth, Siri, so you change your volume for all that kind of stuff. The next tweak is called Smart Volume Control 3, and it gives you different ways to customize the volume HUD. Supports iOS 13.0 to 14.3. This is called Assistant Plus, allows anyone to easily personalize Enhanced Siri by creating custom responses. This is called Lisa, full income and OLED notifications. This is called Store Switcher, lets you easily switch between Apple App Store accounts. So you can see if it's even working on the newest iOS versions. iOS 11 does not seem to be working. Let's see, iOS 11, only have iOS 11 and 10. So, what's on iOS 10 but not iOS 11? And this is Store Switcher 2, so adds a button to switch your account and App Store account page on iOS 11 and higher. This is called CC Uptime, Control Center module that displays an alert with the current uptime for your device. This is called Auto Brightness, automatically sets the brightness according to the ambient light conditions, in contrast to the iOS default auto brightness. This also decreases the brightness when ambient lights is decreased. So it gives the perfect brightness. This is called Low Battery Banner, replace low power alert with a banner notification. This is called Shadowed, hide selected apps in the app switcher. This is called Auto Alerts. It lets you automate alert actions. So activate the overlay by long pressing on top of an alert. This is called Substitute code for code substitution. This week is called Time, customize the time in your way. Next is called Tritium. And basically it's a useful, power efficient, customizable, always on display for iOS. Next week is called Quit All, and one button to quit them all. So you can easily quit, all your apps and App Switcher. Next week is called Evanesco, compatible with all devices running iOS 8, 9, or 10. So name that advanced in HP spell. It's a small modification which makes your icon disappear after a defined time of inactivity. And the last week is called Neko, or Neko, and basically this tweak does a video as your wallpaper. So you said there's a wallpaper on the lock screen, home screen, and control center. So yeah guys, thanks so much for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.